Hey everyone, welcome to Movies Allies. Today we are gonna talk about upcoming Marvel and Disney Plus project Miss Marvel. Kevin Feige announced the upcoming MCU projects for Phase 4 and Phase 5 that included a lot of shows and movies. Phase 4 TV shows have already started with WandaVision and Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Miss Marvel is one of the upcoming shows on Disney Plus alongside with She-Hulk, Hawkeye, Loki and many others. We recently saw some set photos of Miss Marvel and it looks like Kamala Khan is wearing her comic book accurate costume in the show. Sam also had his comic book accurate costume in Falcon and the Winter Soldier show. Apparently, Marvel's costume department is really focusing on comic book accurate costumes nowadays. Scarlet Witch had a new costume, Sam had a new costume, US Agent, and even Loki will have a new costume in his show. Miss Marvel aka Kamala Khan is being played by Canadian actress Iman Vellani. In comics, Kamala Khan belongs to a Pakistani American family. Her family belongs to Pakistan, but they moved to America before she was born. She was a huge fan of Avengers, especially Iron Man and Carol Danvers, aka Captain Marvel. She got her powers unintentionally confronting a mutagenic object. She somehow survives her crash with the substance or object and end up having some distorting abilities. Actually, she can change and size of her body. She can be small or big organically and also modify her body according to her needs. In the comics, Kamala Khan actually has the powers like the Ant-Man and Mr. Fantastic from Fantastic Four franchise. She can change any part of her body so easily according to the requirement of the situation. She can be big or small, stretch her body or just shrink down to the particles. She actually has all the powers that Ant-Man already has, but Kamala Khan has it organically. She later fought side by side with a lot of superheroes in comics, including Spider-Man. She later got her title as Miss Marvel after Carol Danvers, aka Captain Marvel, passed her legacy to Kamala Khan. She also got to wear the same costume that Carol Danvers used to wear before she was Captain Marvel. Kamala Khan's Miss Marvel was connected to the Inhuman story as she was part of the crew in that story. Also, Kevin Feige has announced Inhumans to be part of MCU's upcoming project. In the comics, Kamala Khan fought side by side with Spider-Man and Wolverine till the end of universe. Kamala Khan's capability and the limits of her powers are undefined in comics as she literally stood up in the Secret Wars event until the end. We don't know exactly what MCU is up to with this character in the live action version. We have seen a lot of characters in the past that were not shown as powerful as their comical versions. We can expect that her storyline in the MCU can be a lead to Inhumans or second official movie of Captain Marvel, just like comic book storyline. There is one thing that I would like to point out in this video is that MCU is filling the gaps that we have untold in real world. Like they showed depression and fear of losing a loved one in WandaVision, truth regarding white supremacy and racism in Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and now they will portray an American Pakistani character in live action performance. How she will struggle as Pakistani looking kid in America. MCU is so much packed up for the next phases and I can be sure that we are going to enjoy the ride now. Taika Waititi, Thor Love and Thunder director, recently said that Thor Love and Thunder's shooting will be wrapped up in 4 weeks and it will be one of the best movies that fans have ever watched. Of course he's trolling, but maybe he's right. Besides that, we have Spider-Man No Way Home on the road with loads of excitement. Doctor Strange 2 and so much more are announced for this phase. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's keep the hype up and subscribe to my channel to get updated about Marvel Universe.